Okay, our next step now is going to be to take those pieces we just cut and measured and glue them up. So we'll just take the 3 pieces. I like to put the strip, the short one I had to cut to make up for distance, put that one in the middle. That makes a nicer line. I'm going to set these up in my clamps, just regular pony woodworking clamps. You notice I kept that little knot in here. That's just part of the charm of it. Charming, old, funky, fence wood, ancient. A lot of those defects in the wood are really fun to keep. Okay, I'm going to line this up now in the clamp so I can get as straight an edge as possible. I'm going to use my straight edge here and lay it up against there. Okay, and then the next step is to go ahead and glue it. Just a thin strip of glue along each edge. And the glue doesn't want to come out. Sorry about that. Thin strip here, a thin strip here. Normally you'd want to put glue on both edges, but with this soft wood, just one strip like that's going to be fine. We'll put them together like this. Just push them together, And then use our straight edge right here to make sure we have a straight edge, as straight as possible. And we'll go ahead and tighten up the clamps. And we'll set this aside to dry.